Gusii. Ndizi TV Obwansu Gusii.
Mwana naindo mwanchio murigererio Ndizi TV na Bwansu Gusii no kwegena kwana na kwabere gukwego kya asoko batemero bere yonsi ya Ndizi TV nigo cyaragire CHINSA ISATO cyabona mugoroba cinga kingo kwariganya SMS amayango manyewuna narayana kwariganiri asenchera ere yubikiranu yandra gotanyara sensemo ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube watanyara wetra Ndizi TV News na wegase website yaito wetra www.ndizitv.net eri togendre gusanga asobwa mongo kwariganya AMAYIA sobo ikiranu asekore ndengo kwarigana tonyorega cyari ngwarigana rite asenchera ere yubinge.
Professor Zhang Nyong'o is a very capable person. He's a politician with a lot of experience. He's a professor, very learned, very exposed, and he's not a controversial person. So we support him.
Omobunko nyari bari masaba Daniel Manduku ko koboko choro kwaye Professor Nyong'o ko ba umuraiwe kyama kya ODM ko irari bagari ya Raila.
Yese kubavwa aba kusina itusabe imeo. Ya mara twanyoro mu minister yamo. Mr. But still ni manyete magendera ka kuna negotiate. Kurwara ka PS.
Women rep we county ya Nyamira kuboria serikali kuinyoregesa gukyo Gusii ase birogo au awase serikali.
You must prepare to make sure that you are held to account and you pay for it, so that we can keep the river clean and everybody becomes responsible for their behavior.
Umurai wense William Ruto ko bwatwege kurege tindi go cyasubale bagotirenga chinsoko cya match ne bitoitana ina na oteba nigo barayimukiri wege tambukirege tindi. Mwanchi murigirire ya manaenda mangi ngo kwarigania senchera bene ringumanya senchera ere yobwikirano ritriane EVERLYNE OSERO LYDIA musenera to kuwatirana sensemo yebimanyiriro nabayigo sara mu manyinero kaine kyachipicha neryo gicha wekere a senchera bene tocha kama yaye CHINSA ISATO sobwikirano korwa se county ya Nyamira ase women representative we county yo derusha mu manyi agendrete koryeira yo kugendra korwa ogosira gocha se byombe au ebyobire ebyabasaye nabayigo abangina wetra se kiganka ekigancha gyankaf okwana chinga kicho kubatuka ogosiro ko asensemo ya Motembe yotoka ase wadi ya Kimera ebunke ya Kitutu masaba me county ya Nyamira jerushe mumanyi nigobo igo abaga korwo kubore ucyasa abantu kwene kevunangwanchira nabalene kerengo kyabo kyobugima eriwetanga korwa se amakongu au ayo nonya nabakwirira bange kwerusia obomoyo nigo chinga kyechabaga ukwanira uburaya serikali ya county ya Nyamira nakoba kerambya muno aba MCA asemero beremi yabagendrete gokora na kubaganya kubwatererabo asekeria taire munaniga kwokoboko ingana yo kumurusyo mu governor we county Nyamira Amos Kimomi nyaribo obisi akubwatikana nobokoreryo bube ase ABC yoniga baga kwegerera sensemo yae nakorere bene na asobo chori bu mwaka w'2022 no aregetivu na ase arabega kurwanira ekirogo kyobo governor nigo jerusha abaga kurokubore ucyase serikali kwene kiabuna ngo ikerange abamatebaliya babete bagusiriya abana babo kubatkana n'ubaskano bw'umuriro aseskuru ya Endarasha Academy ime ye county ya Nyeri na kwene kiabuna ngo babare ogosira kwa beno muri kito kurase county ya Nyamira Paul Kapokara namake
gukwana ime CHINSA mechiga cya Motembe Chichiko tukemeye wadiga ya Kemera ebunge jega jabe gututu masawe meye kaunti Nyamira ajibulire serikali kwa nekiunango lenda barabana ko barase chisukuru nene chinga kiechiga emibaso kane menge yo wataka kwemerero yagendera ko bagaye kwene kiwase chisukuru.
Mtu analia hapo kwa shule tunamletea chakula alie akule akilia. Lazima waanze kufikiria priorities. Kama watu wako na shida uone ile priority ya kwanza unapeana hawa watu ni priority gani. Wale watu hata wanatakikana hata kupelekwa mahali wakaliswe chini waongelezwe hata wafanyiwe counseling.
Asagendera ko bagakulira nga gwikatsi kunyara ko bagakora imirimo yayo bwikirano inzire ke ganje ke akamanyakana tabuna ngavu
wanapoda na pia vijana ambao wanapenda kandanda. Na pia nimekuja kuona community hii na ninafurahi sana kwa sababu bila nimefika hapa hata yale maneno ambayo nimefanya ya kupatiana tent kwa community, I'm grateful that tumepata moja yao ndio imekuwa imehost abana tintakana titabwa kisa na ngina na secondary school wherever they are. I never know moiri ogitari witinya Montebi. I will take care of abana abu inere merimongo koramna mama county
yerusha boygo nigagendere ko bagakoma cyubutenere bwe county ya Nyamira aseso kiremo isomaro na gatebangano harikitiye asobo choli bwentunde gocha
kwamba itakuwa tabi na kii alia mahali watoto wanapatiwa we don't even understand. Lakini kama ni mama ningesema hata ile maternity ambayo watoto huwa wanasaliwa it's not enough. Mukagete ni ngabo itataye kwa baboli inuta getemba tabika iteme morore na ende moko kwa bwande abantu bande bakukagana kinke kwa natwigwete ngango mukungu yako no bukwana manekero wabo tukurike bogaba nabo cyagwikagati atutisairane ese kinko batisera ndiko sino monto elected na chari rukabere I said in Pakistan I have already been elected twice. I am ready to fight the war in the tayari bana kurwane sekie kurukwa yobo governor 2027 kera ikatete tiga yakoralia tari na chakoralia kibise ngitumwa bori kubaira neli swali nganga ikenjera mbatigenje baba
Oboigo aire gati aba MC kurwaso orugongo rwe county Nyamira koboko asiganga yabo yogotaka ko mwaka isiko
anataka haki ndio. Kwa hivyo tunawaomba wale MCS hiyo kazi yenu ambao mmeanza nyinyi endeleeni mtuletee ukweli. Hiyo ndio tunangojea kama kwa Nyamira we have served
mwali oye jerusha nigagendera ko bagakubwato ko semia ocha segese kukyo Gusii orona kibale tange kubwatekana mono weita wachachi
mwanja to serious generation na inwa bible ya bali abana ne morali na ari kubasorora kumukoro umwana oyo amutakire boyige kenyoro tabo cyaka kumugamba kamba igenze abafanya umwana oyo cyagaro yo yama kosa diare kenyoro kiyino igenze mofanya umwana oyo na yo atabiru nere tabo tabanga takunya gukwana gero umwana one ngubate mambiende gakunywa marwa anyinenya sore akubutoro motutari kumanya gusega akubutoro mai
Ginko reporter igetaseni kya obwanjete kya Ndizi TV ubegase wadiga ya Kemera imeheye county ya Nyamira inchego nkuru kwa Polycarp okara
ase chinga kietio derusha nigabaga kurukubore ucyase serikali koinyora egesaku kyomo Gusii asama bagaye birogo au ase serikali anene ase kiro keria kyabari kibabo tambe ase chiwizara askirata na ase chinga kinigorogongo rwa Gusii rwaberero koebwa mono anene county ya Nyamira na kugania babe bakoebwa libagerio ase kinchira ya moyo koimokereria ke county ya Nyamira bosio mutwe na boigo akoenekia buna babere bakubwatana ne serikali asokoreta magendro imeye county yo ya Nyamira
akere keki yense kubavwa aba Gusii na ntsobe imeo ya mona twanyoro mu minister yamo Mr. MOSE but still nimanyete magenderete kunya negotiate kurubara ka PS ka kireti tamunot forget mu Gusii tutakitamento mu PS yonde igoro ya mu PS yosatra ko ya mutubwati iga Nyamira tutakisonyora no nyambatatu asengentole ntubwati mu PS yororo iga serikali yane ga isinacha lero ukuganikora no konke abantu baitumba tukabembawa andi tigwiba nkwanira mangana
Mubunge onyari bari masaba Dr. Daniel Manduku nigagenderete kuleira yogosire birenko byegisemi ase chiskuru chonsi meye bunke yo ya nyari bari masaba yaniga yakwana chinga kyabaga kora egeikaro na barokia abanene ase chiskuru chi secondary na boigo echioboroso chiskuru chonsi meye bunge ya nyari bari masaba elio ko manya emechanderiera ase chiskuru na boigo koriyali chibu bosenchira yokugayana amakungwayo elio ko enekiabu na abana babiri kugendereria masomo abo buya ase chisukuru nigo boigabaga batana nachi kugendera kuru gusira kwa bene bucyase abaruki wanene bari bakurwa ase chinga cyokonyora wense eriyo kwene kyabuna na barabenyorere libagaligi yaliyo kugendereria amasomo abo ase chisukuru ase chinga kyecho nigabaga kuru kuburya bucyase serikali kwene kyabuna ngokorere okoiwana n'abananchi igoro yegeti gyechindege ya Jomo Kenyatta International buna tukumanyiwa no muri keto Mildred Momanyi.
Omubunge onyalibali masaba Dr. Daniel Manduku nigo aumerana amona balimu amanene ase chiskuru chonsi imenyalibali masaba ase kirenga kyogosangana barbo emechando ere ase chiskuru ase nekiri na chikuligereria amaga chiskuru imeye bunge yo
bamangana echisemi nga kitogo chikubwatana no chibosyo erinde sub county yito enyalibali masaba ase constituency yito eira negotangana ase county ya Gusii ose nonyene asenze ya Kenya ngana amaga chiskuru ase sub county ya Nyaribali Masaba inne kene nga yagendere biya sana mwana si primary cheito omwako gocha ngwira na tore toro si laboratory ase chiskuru chiriza kugati science laboratories na laboratories for ICT ndo chaka kwagaja chikoro ikominemo ase constituency yeito chikoro bere kere ward
nigo ainekirie na chikogendera no murubulio yebu gusira aborokigwa asomurubulio yebu na enchereyemo yokonya bali abakurwa chinga chokonyora gwense
ndo arwete chiskora shibire sengenjo chifamily chinyinga ase Nyaribali Masaba njare konyara gwa kanira bana chiskuru eka January igobona ngo chakwa kanira bana chiri bwibere chimibere na 2260 bara abego chagara form 2 mpaka form 4 no mwa kone ndo gatatu nantu menda bandiri gwe wikera omoro morobiri yo onte gutwara abana chiri bwisana
boigo nigo agania abali mugotagenda ase omugiro yekolenganirwa buna ensi ya Kenya nigo ere asa kongo ase amatuko abwangoiga.
I think the mood in the country right now and generally in all sectors does not warrant any pay rise. Even we members of parliament rejected our annual pay increase, which was due to reflect in our pay slips from July. I came out very strongly and said no, it's the wrong time. And so like everyone else in the country, the lecturers should understand that this is the wrong time and they should suspend their strike until they have renegotiated the timelines for implementation of the collective bargaining agreement.
Nonyana bonigo omunyakirogo bwabalimu abanene imeya Masaba South akirembuya ase omubunge ase okwaligania omurubuli yo ase boigo agania omubunge gochakorotota egati yali basanga buna okomenterwa abalimu ase chiskuru cyabo
nabali moito na ino simori skuru ali enda bana boito na colleagues no mokia our immediate concern ni namana starving ndubu atibali boise ni skuru yito chinyinge Igore njira yali to kadanyora bali baisine na mutwale korabuya ende twale kuzaninga liba kolera to kire jiba sito ke CDF ogendra konyi school jito liga to nyaga imburuba magacho in preparation for the new system, that is the CPC.
asichinga kichecho nigo omubunge asabire serikali enene guchagotegerera abananchi kubwatikana negeti gechindege gya JKA.
I think the government needs to come clean and explain what it's not telling the Kenyans. The airport is a very strategic investment, and any move to either privatize or call strategic investors should be laid bare on the table and fully interrogated by Kenyans, so that there are no questions or there are no doubts. As it is right now, the deal looks like it is shrouded in mystery, and that is why there's so much hullabaloo about this.
Gulipotelia egetaseni kya Ndizi TV eletaliane Mildred Momanyi.
Na kubatikana nogo choro kwa mugavana we county ya Kisumu Profesa Anyang' Nyong'o koba umuraiwe kiama kia ODM kwa irari bagari ya Raila Amolo Odinga oyo baba kwirusana ni ase siasa chia Kenya iro chokorwa ndekirogo kibunyakiro ase obomo we CHINSA chia Africa ni gomanduku abaga kwokoboko egetamukire kyo nagoteba buna Nyong'o ni gabwato bumanyi boisaine nabo igo ebirenko ebikiranu byetsemi na igo nabwenerete kora ase ekiruge kyo nanya nabaniga bagango tebabuna orogongo rwa Gusii nigo rwa beirero kwebo mono ase obuteneneri bwe kiama ase kirabuna oise kero Gusii ekorengani wane CHINSA mochinde nigo orogongo rwiga rwa beirero kuru muchango monene ase obokoreri ase kiama kya ODM.
Professor Anyang' Nyong'o is a very capable person. He's a politician with a lot of experience. He's a professor, very learned, very exposed, and he's not a controversial person. So we support him as a new party leader. But I've always felt that people from Kisii region who always support ODM to the last man are still getting the short end of the stick. Kisii needs more visible positions in the party. Otherwise, our continued stay will not be tenable come 2027. That I can say on record. We have no parliamentary position as Kisii in ODM. We have no substantive position in the central management of ODM. But yet, we contribute to the vote basket of ODM year in, year out, or election in, election out. So, in as much as we support Professor Anyang' Nyong'o's elevation as party leader, we are questioning what the Kisii nation is getting in this whole deal. Kisii nation has most members of parliament from ODM, but we are always neglected and sidelined when the positions are being dished out. And so we have question marks on that. I think the party has its own criteria, and the criteria may involve many things.
Togoska bosioni gomurobero bugosangereria birengerero byaba Kenya kubwatikana n'ubutumiki bw'ebibande byekerero genderete ase CHINSA AMAYIA ya Kenya nigo ritwala rero murobero yabakogo korekana ase nsemo yasuneka ase abamenyi korwa se sub county ya Kisii South bakora wa no deputy county commissioner Grace Auma baba gutwara murobero yo nagosangereria gusego sanga ebirengerero byabo nigo yarokana buna egati yabamenyi nigo ba okoboko egetambo kirikega na otana murobero yo no chigokonya kigima anene asaba Kenya konyora obokoreri ane nobokoreri bwe serikali chinga kinonya nabo egati yabo baba bakujwa mereri na otana nigora chikoba egurubenene ase egati yaba Kenya.
Today we had a public participation exercise and we called all the opinion leaders from the Waturetis, the heads of department, the security officers, the Ngaos, all were here. And the main reason for public participation was to inform the people about the Maisha card, Maisha number, the digitized card of the Maisha number. So people were to give their opinions. It's a public participation. Serikali iliambiwa warudie, haikufanyika vizuri ndio sababu ilisimamishwa. So tumerudi tena kusema public participation is here na is about Maisha Card. Maisha Card from the proposal is a very good thing. Ni kitu mzuri security wise. That ID or that card, identity card, itakuwa na a microchip. Hata wakora wengi hawataweza kupenya wachukue data zetu kufanya uhalifu.
Nyora togo chikoyo Maisha Card. Chache sinchi basa kobororo. Lakini isa kobanga ya sirire. Nabo muntu wakanemia. Yugo ntuancherana tigatolete Maisha Card. Ebenga nero ekadi ya motogo chigotwara ekobogorie ebintu byonsi pi.
Asengi tutaramanye sego toyira na ande twaliwe twatwara oduma no ire mifuko yetu tiratokonya. Mwaretire Maisha Card yo gocha ntumatinanga yego toyira. Wote twale tambulizo lakini tutali ko chibesa. Eko nturi kogora obora ibo
intuna banchari oseki south amangana Maisha Card ntwakana ntunya tageti tigatobwate getambulisho munoma na Kenya muna Maisha Card ndi mwachi gwanja serikali nyiruciororo
abaibori nigo bagenderete gosegetwa kwenekia buna ababeire bagusira chiskuru chire ase ebinyoro asentre moyo gokinia ebirenko bya masomo bagokwana niga babwatani awbetsemi across school secondary yabo charia PG bakorawo no morokyo munene bwe skuru eyo jera soboge babeire bakwerera egatie bitambukire babeire bakobeka byo kwenekia buna babeire bagokini ebirengo byechisemi ase skuru eyo yabo charia okwanekerekyo nigo baibuli babere bakuboriwa goseba semiwe kwene kyabunango babale abana babo babale sekelasi 12 gose form 4 chinga kinyororo chinga kibago cyago isarasa ase amatemu abo amanene chinga kyecho nigo mugambi bwenseme yo Kennedy Ndege aruro kubore ocyasa baibuli kwene kya abana babo ngonda bare ase chiskuru eriyo kwenyorera chisemi buna abandu muri kito Paul Kapokara norboti urwaso bwime
na somo sangerekano yigo nyara kabago korekana ase skule yiga oyori getie kobeka chingekero chingekerano na kie skule yiga iranyara koba gekwimukya ebirengo bya masomo igoro
otwengo kwanere igoro ya mangane yesemi ngakira abege gokonya ekenyori getu kya bocheria na Kenya as a whole
abago kwana mega yogo chamo Nchire ya moyo kubekwe metu ya bamo iliko konya abana kwenyorere gesomo. Nigo, ababote nebigabe jise mikorwa se eskuri yega ya bucheri ya PH. Bagendere koba bakoboli ya bibuli wancha eskuri yabo.
Igo twarangiri Nyasaye arantu mwikomo chenu. Abana bekinyoreke bakwende chiskuri chire ale tiana barubaira nega iga basome ekore distance nerongo distabwira abana. Namona abana baisike sawa itobanyole chinga kichingiya erinde basome kwara uwasomiri umwana musubati nere yawocha oboyibwo bokonya sekenyoro
ego twasabirenga asekenyoro kyonsi kyabocharia abonsi abatoitana inega iga nagonyankurwa isiko yekenyoro kyabocharia totomera abana ase sukuru agochakera umwaka gocha tobabeke mibasange semingiya inenya akabage kubakonya asa matuka bangocha nekero okorosi umwana yomo kwarosire generation
nigo baereire bitambakero birya bairire bunenchire ya moyo kwene kibunamba chikonyara kwa bagokore byasa matukare musyo elio kwereria tali skuru ya igakogendera gosaseria
na inde ebwata masingira maya abari muntu bwate baiseine igo twale kubasaranga kamuranje kindly tigatwanjera ne skuru ye ngane bwenete kine elinde moto abana na intwe ntoretale kubatebya mangana maya na goyetani monoringana Nyasaye eligonjure binyoro naende diarosi abana baito baba bana bogosemeria
committee jire chiarosibwo abantu bali bare within my location and beyond gose Kenya ngima mutuma abana baino goche skuru ya bojalie kiagera nebwate space baka no boarding facilities next year abantu basabira mabaganga basororo na eto bobu moiso kosaba igo next year ntobwate boarding facility gaiga ekiara the environment is very friendly asa mangana security is 100% excellent amangana mache is okay extra curriculum activities we have the field behind me here
orengana no mwalimu munene asire tajeras obwoge oyo choro gocha skuru ya bwangomono nigo nera agende ko bwagosegeta bayibuli kwene kibunango leta barabana babo skuru yiga asebego agende ko bwakobode serikali kobasira asebinto bya batabwati bunabone birasi inyerekane bano umubaro bw'abana nigo agende to gukina kira rituko
to expecting skuru yeito negendera busio na nento gendera na mangana maya iga population igegendera ta komenta kurwa singa kiuchi aseyende igongo saba stakeholders mwensipi motobwate cia bagambi Honorable Gisairo otokonye tonyorege chidom egera abana aba batagite guchaka komenya guchakira umwaka ugocha igo motokonye infrastructure njerende yonsi piora nyare njerende yonsi pi orerwe egere skuru yitegenderere
na sinsema yayo musine chief kurwase location iga ya Keroka township asedieta Kennedy Ndege igo iragende ko bagusigeta buri kwane kibunango barasobo stadio busyo kurenda abana babo kugenda se chisukuru asagendera ko bagakobasemenga babaye cinga gicinyororo cinga kichiga bagotukunyara ko bakorogotemwa na kurugo kudogo tinde ko cyase bari bonse baratkunyara ko bagotuka bakonya gwetana na batari kogenda ase chisukuru
nali gusaba bono mune location yana atimbasa ko iwa bana abatari chisukuru ojakra bono igo it is my work and my team security team we are going to come for you igo nyoro ko igure liogeri oira ne back to school anse gosoma ikiara by not coming nayo gocha kwanyora yi you and your parent mwanza kominyokia balimu mwanza kosaririe skuru ya marieta so this is the right time kenye ngimasi mwanyi wa onde bwensie candidate yaro mwana tiaende skuru akora revision na liara nyora good grade
ginko report digetaseni kwa wanjete kia Ndizi TV kugegase chinseme chigacha bocharia PAG yugo tokeme ya county Nyamira inchegongoro kwa Polycarp Okara
Miamana umariketo Polycarp Okara se oroboti orurekan korwase county Nyamira tokurgerera bereka okorekana iskoero gongoro Gusii muraiwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigo abwato kirege kurege tindi gochiase chi company nabaigo abantu bene abagenderete ko bwato ka eubi gatia gochiase amache gatia gochiase chindoche anenase orocherwa Nairobi kago kwana ime yense moya korogoshe me county yo ya Nairobi magayo gocha kumuroberi obwogo chena amachi orocheo Nairobi Ruto nigatere buna serikali nechikubairira egetambokero abali abarabe bakobwatoka na gose bakotoka no komocha okuchinga kecho nigaigereire miroberi ya serikali ya Kenya kwanza na hotona nigo bagendrete kwenekia abuna babere bakolenda ebito etanaine na bagokoreta magendero anene ime county yo ya Nairobi.
Entities that are polluting our rivers, the industries that are polluting our rivers, the manufacturing entities that are polluting our rivers, the raw sewage that is coming from our public entities, the solid waste that is in this river coming from different places. On the basis of extended producer responsibility, each and every one of them will be held to account. All of us, if you are going to be polluting the river, you must prepare to make sure that you are held to account and you pay for it, so that we can keep the river clean and everybody becomes responsible for their behavior. If you are not in good behavior, know that you are going to pay for bad behavior. And we are going to make sure that this works for Kenya.
Amakanyi bumuraiwense rigathigashawa ni garuro kubore ochase abarai bonse abarase birogo au otuterare siasa echo chitabwati oboroso bonde bonsi na igokobeka omokyabo goikirania amagendro ase abananchi gokwana imeye county ya Nandi nigo gashawa tere bna siasa embe nigo yairire okoira na magega kwegatie meroberio ya magendro anena se chi sector au gatiabo ase oboremi bwekemberi yechae nigo ababoririe koikaba goikaba na inchiange na koga kurigereria gose koigwa amagania bona koine kyabona babere bako baikiraneria anene chira chire babete bako baliera
ele mtupatie nafasi tupange Kenya tufanye kazi hii siasa mingi ni ya nini uchaguzi uko mbali let us allow the president the deputy president those given responsibilities tuwapatie nafasi wafanye kazi. I know you have many expectations come out here Nandi. I want to give you an assurance that the president is doing everything within his power to mobilize resources. Juzi amekuwa China akitafuta nauli mambo ya barabara. I know you had many expectations like all of us na kila pahali, lakini mambo imekuwa ngumu kiasi fulani, na rais ako pale anapanga sisi tunamsaidia. So tunaomba kelele ipunguzwe, tupunguze matusi, tupunguze kiburi, tuache kujipiga kifua.
Umurahiwese Dr. William Samuel Ruto nigachakire bene tare ya matukabere gocha sensemo ya Berlin imeya jama na sekirenga agio ko rigya oko bwatera na goseko ko iwana woko bwatera na gatiense ya German na Kenya asowe kinya sensemo ya magendera go kwanera etare yoni go ambassador wense ya Kenya gocha German Stella Mukaya Orina abaka batebabuna ense ya Kenya na German cyabere kigo twara obwa mateburo buya asege bono anena se ogo kinya sector na igo etaro ya Ruto nigerabe yengenchene mono cinga kibara chie kobeka okoiwana wokubwatrana ase CHINSA mochinde gati abensemo ya leba na baigo ensemo yo bonchorira ero kwenakia abuna amagendro na baigo owekinya kwabere gokorekana egati CHINSA.
President Ruto has been in good relations with both the President of Germany and the Chancellor, and we've exchanged high-level visits between the two countries. So from the high-level visits, negotiations commenced for conclusion of a comprehensive labor mobility partnership agreement. And we are now coming to the end of these negotiations tomorrow. So this agreement will be signed between our minister, our Prime Cabinet Secretary, and Cabinet Secretary for Foreign Affairs, and the Minister of Interior of the Federal Government of Germany. The two, our head of state and the Chancellor Olaf, will witness the signing of this agreement. The Comprehensive Labor Mobility Partnership Agreement is very important because it provides a mechanism through which the two countries can collaborate to address challenges that they experience in the world of human resource. The theme of the Buga Fest is
ase entunde ntanganike gima kurwatiani wako babisi nigo muwaziri o EAC Beatrice School abakagokora etaro ya yemeye county ya Turkana eriokorotota emerobero au ya magendero anene yetenene nebenkiene ne yense ya World Bank uko nacinga kyecho a school nigabaka koerera buna abamenyi kurwase county ya Turkana nigo bagenderete wetera cinga nguna makunye cingenjo au tiabo yokoreto kubatkana no murakera naboigo enjara nigate babuna eserekali nigebegete merobere mekirano yokoine kyabuna abamenyi abo be county ya Turkana babere bakonyora obokonyi bwabene agati yabo okonyora se bakomenya na boigo okubwatokerwa endagera eriyo kubatoria kurwasa umucando yo gwenjara egati ya magendro andabake.
The cash transfer program is fully in place. I'm sure there are some delays in Treasury disbursing some funds. But I want to assure you that those who have been benefiting from cash transfer and are in our register will continue getting cumulative amounts which have been skipped because of delayed budgetary allocations from Treasury. We are giving cash transfer to more than 400,000 beneficiaries, amounting to Kenya shillings 4.5 billion.
Actually, drought is real. The mothers who are really, from the look of things, they are not doing good in terms of health. They're emaciated. So we are also supplying relief, trying to get food for them, rice and beans at least to complement and to supplement their diets. So we are here to do that, and I think so far so good. And you know, when you go reaching out is when you will get to know the true picture.
Na hegati ya bachumbe kurwase orogonko rwa Mount Kenya bachumbe meronkere na batano na batatoni go bachiramo na kumwa koboko umuwaziri buburendi wembeki dhure kindiki go chakoba omonogeri obo kurwase orogonko rwa Mount Kenya nigo baterebuna asekeria baganetie obo mokurwase orogongo rwo nerebye go chora umurayo bwate obo manyi oyorabega kubayigerera mono anene ase obo koreri ase serikali nigo asobwa mo bamwitabirane kindiki na watebanero isaine aseri bagerio na watana nigo bawucha komwa ukosira kwa bene eryo kwenekia buna babere bagotwara obotorero nobumo ase orogonkuru from Mount Kenya.
The prevailing state of affairs and the urgency of the mission ahead. There is need to have a linkage a link that will create a nexus between us and the national executives on matters development. Accordingly, we as elected leaders from this region and its diaspora, on our own behalf and that of our people, unanimously resolve that our link to the national government to be the Cabinet Secretary for Interior and National Administration, Professor Kithure Kindiki, whose responsibilities in the executive includes the coordination of national government functions across the country. This declaration is issued on the 12th of September 2024 by the following members. We are going to share this report with you, so you'll be able to see the members present. We have 35 members with us here. Then we have some 13 members who have
Mwancho murigeri banoroboti oruna rogotreta omwerio bw'AMAYIA ye CHINSA isatasenchera ere yobwikirano chinga kingo bakirambia mono bali mwensi mugenderete gotorigerere na gotubwatia kurwase CHINSA asesemo ya Facebook gaiga ndoche kefanyaribo agateba nwarime ajona buga agoteba nare tundi kama kawaida jeria kiribo kurwase CHINSA mo chiamana mabarin kingdom nera agoteba buna nagenderete gotubwatia kigima mugako kiro amo ne familia ekurwase CHINSA mochiria chia Nyamira nera agoteba nare tundi nkegima makia agoteba nagenderete gotobwatia Shabana boy Rashford Kerema agoteba ako nyumbani agoteba nyumbani ndio inka inakuita. Anyway umefanya nini we utoe kama mfano kabla ya nyaribo ngagetoyo nigagokwanira igoro yenkwana yaye omo women rep we county ya Nyamira Jerusha Mumanyi kubwatikana noko kobokege tambukiro kya ba MCA ko mwaka isiko omo governor we county ya Nyamira Amos Kimwomi nyaribo Wilson Kenawa Osoro korwa bubasinya mache nyabitagoteba ako ndani kegima bia mono bale mwesi mugendrete ko torigereria uria twabwatiranira sensemo yimenyerero nigakoro kwa LYDIA MOSE Sara Mumanyi nero ne kechibicherero gicha wikire asenchira bene iretariane EVERLYNE OSERO kuri ndengo ko inyoria buna butambe na bagotonyora sensemo ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube watonyora wetera Ndizi TV News nabaigo ase website yeto wetera www.ndizitv.net erio togendere gusanga asobwa mongo ko ndire burgerere buru bya semero byanse nabaigo obutko burobotoerero.